Valerio Sibanda, the fourth swimmer in the Zimbabwean succession stream, sarapina mashuko buda panguva ino achitsanangurwa neZimbabwe Third Eye News. Panguva ino panokuti pane power struggles, pane competitions, pane kukwikwidzana kuripo pakusucceeda mutungamiri wenyika. Ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panhau dzari kubroadcast mudanyira chiti. In the theater of Zimbabwean politics, where the choreography of power is often mistaken for its substance, it is easy to be dazzled by the noise of the moment and miss the quiet tide of history. But history, like a river, flows with its own logic, and in that river, we have seen three swimmers: President Emerson Mnangagwa, Tagore, and ever aspiring but floundering Constantine Chiwenga. Now a fourth swimmer emerges measured, disciplined, and unburdened by the baggage of functionalism. The swimmer is General Retired Valerio Sibanda. Retired Valerio Sibanda is not a man of slogans, he is a man of substance. In an era where political capital is often confused with the social media noise or the clicking of glasses in plush Harare lounges, Valerio represents a different current credibility, competence, and calm. He is not a man who needs to shout to be heard. His record speaks in the quiet tones of service, strategy, and statecraft. The current succession discourse has been reduced to a binary farce: the cash-laden incumbency of Mnangagwa versus the gun-wielded nostalgia of Chiwenga. But as recent events have shown, the gun without a bullet is a relic, not a roadmap. The hashtag is not just a meme, it is a metaphor for the bankruptcy of a politics that confuses military fatigues with moral authority. Mnangagwa, for all his flaws, understood the moment. He outmaneuvered Chiwenga not with the tanks, but with the tactics, not with the threats, but with the transitions. He deployed resources, networks, and narratives. He played the long game, and in doing so, he exposed the vital weakness of Chiwenga's camp, a belief that the army is a political party, and that fear is a strategy. But Zimbabwe cannot afford to be trapped in this binary. The nation needs a bridge, not a bulldozer. It needs a leader who understands both the barracks and the boardrooms, the trenches and the treaties. Valerio Sibanda is that bridge. He is the fourth swimmer emerging not from the noise of factional warfare, but from the deep waters of national service. The future of Zimbabwe will not be secured by those who cling to the past with a clenched fist. It will be built by those who open their hands to the future. Valerio Sibanda is the steadiness, the stature, the strategic mind to be that builder. Domashwaroya achitagwa pamusoro paValerio Sibanda achionekwa kunzi aiwa is one of the people vari kuonekwa vari kukwikwidzwa panhau aiwa the presidency is ari kuonekwa kunzi is outmaneuvering VP Constantine Chiwenga. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.